We got deer number 2. This is actually my biggest buck so far. It's not big at all. Look at those brow tones. Look how short they are. But we're going to skin it out for part 1 of the bulling method. And yeah. So that's what we're going to do.
Let's get it done, boys.
We got her in the boiler now, all skinned out. So, shout out to Jared for letting us use the boiler.
Hey, it's gonna look good.
We're gonna camp out here for a little bit with the deer. And we bow fish.
We'll
get some of that too.
Yeah, that'll be good.
Till next time. That's a really good shot right here. That sucker looks big. Whoa! Okay, it looks bigger from right here. Like, pull it up out of the water. Let's see how much it's already cleaned. We've been at it for about 45 minutes probably. And it is already cleaned up a lot.
Looking good.
We're gonna pressure wash here in a little while. If the rain holds off. But, let's get her back in there. The grind.
Yes, sir.
All that brain coming out. Smart, man. What's up, world? Let's see what's going on. Just got home, had an awesome workout, and as soon as I got home, I decided to put it back on bull. This is 2 days later, so it's a little different. But yeah, it's starting to simmer a little bit. But ever since, it's not terrible, but ever since last part of the video, I got a little bit of water on the lenses and it's having trouble focusing. So I gotta wipe y'all down a little bit. sit out here, watch some TV in the garage. Oh, there we go. You all okay in there? Let's dry you off. Oh yeah, it's a little better. Hold up. Hey world, it's a little bit better. But yeah, let's see how the rest of this mount goes. I'm gonna finish it today, unless, well, I mean, I won't finish everything, but I'll finish bulling it and get all my meat off. So, get back to you in a little bit. What we got right now? I'm gonna go ahead and pressure wash some of it. We can get a lot more of that off. So, got the pressure washer out here, and we're gonna crank her up and get to going. So, yep. A little bit of an update. Just gotta clear off some more of this, clear out some more of this cartilage and everything. Some of the meat's still on there. See that meat right there? That'll come off easy. But it's coming along. So yeah. I'm gonna go for one more round of pressure washing. So let's get to it. I think we're gonna have to bull it one more time and then pressure wash one more time, and then we're good. Let it sit and then we'll lighten her up. Cleaned it up a lot. I'm gonna bull it and give it one more round. That way no more cartilage left on there, and then don't tin it. It's got a little bit of meat back there where the brain was. That's what I've been trying to get out.
Sometimes it's smart to work outside the office. That's why we would suggest the powerful, portable Lenovo ThinkPad T480 to let your people stay productive from anywhere.
Dad's home! And I just finished everything. He is clean. Got all the cartilage gone. Got a clean skull. All we gotta do is whiten. I'll do that tomorrow. That'll be another part of the video, which it's not real hard. All you gotta do is just paint the... Here, I got the stuff over here. Let's see if I can find it. It is salon care. It's something to do with hair. I have no idea. I'm not a salon guy. But, oh, here it is. Salon care, volume clear. I don't know what it is, but it whitens the skull. So we'll get to doing that, and that'll be a lot of fun. So I'm actually about to score this deer. So I'm gonna say he's about 105-ish. Not sure. I could be totally wrong because he's only got 7 points. But I'm gonna get a video of that too. So ball game weekend's about to have a couple videos getting ready to go. So Let's see if Dad's coming out here. You ready to see the finished product?
Yeah, let me see. I don't think that's bad.
I got all the cartilage out and everything. Brain's completely gone. Hold it right there.
Do you think you could? Uh-oh, why is that horn loose?
It ain't loose. Brain is completely gone. I know you can't see in there too good, but everything's cleaned up. Ready to go.
So nasty.
What was that face? I missed it. Cleaned up.
I'd bleach that.
We're gonna whiten it with the Salon Care 20.
There's 2 bottles of that.
Yeah, we shouldn't need 2 bottles, but I'm actually about to score them.
About to what?
Score it. What do you? I guessed 105. What are you guessing?
It's 7-pointer.
That's the only thing hurting him. And the brow tines.
Yeah, he's probably about. I want to say 108.
108.
Maybe.
105 is what I said. I'm gonna say he's in the area of 105.
I don't know.
I guess y'all figure out in a new video.
He may not be 108. I don't know.
He may not. I'm gonna say his width and his main beams help him. And this is gross score, not. The horns kept the color really good too. Which it could change, I guess. But what do you think, Boo
Don't
Boo?
get none of that bleach on it.
Oh, Boo.
The bleach will die on it.
I don't know. I'm gonna take him up in part 5, whatever this is gonna be. I'm not sure yet, but y'all seen another video what it scores. So, see you.